Good morning all of you. My name is Akshit Kumar from the class 8th from the Rao Nihal Singh Public School. This is my team and today we are here to explain you about the concept of smart polyhouse system. Now I hand over to Sarika sis.
Now I will explain you about the smart polyhouse system. Smart polyhouse system is an essential structure that helps us to regulate climatic conditions such as temperature and humidity to grow edible plants, ornamental plants and flower plants, actually all kind of plants. Now the question is, what is the problem statement for this question? Now I will tell you about the problem statement. Plants could not get the required temperature and humidity to grow. Here we made a prototype to solve this problem. Now I over to Yuvraj bro, he will explain you about this prototype.
Now I will explain about the components of this prototype. First, let me assemble. Now this prototype is on power. It contains 3 relays, one soil moisture sensor, one DHT11 sensor and one display board and a Arduino board. The 3 relays control the power of inlet outlet fans, the water irrigation pump and the soil moisture sensor. The soil moisture sensor tells us about the moisture in the soil. The DHT11 sensor tells us about the moisture and humidity in the air. The display board shows it all on itself and the Arduino Uno board connects the whole circuit to one. The power supply is here to power it. Now I will hand over to Ujjwal.
It waters the crop when. Now I will explain its automated functions. It waters the crop when soil moisture is low. It activates heating and cooling systems to maintain the ideal temperature. It adjusts artificial light based on natural light conditions. It also alerts the user if there are issues like the lack of water in the tank. Now I would hand over to Maxis. She will tell you its application.
Now I will explain some application of smart polyhouse system. The first application is that it is used for better crop yielding. The second application is that it is used for advanced high-tech farming. And the last application of smart polyhouse system is that it is used for less consumption of water. Thank you.